Good day, everybody. Welcome to this symposium session on interprofessional education and collaborative practice, how we make our program work. I'm Louise Schweikert. I will be moderating this session. As an introduction, the IPE program at Sefako Makgatho Health Sciences University started in 2014 under the guidance of Prof. Ina Treadwell. The only available time that we have to combine the different disciplines and professions was on Friday afternoons, which we utilized. We started with only 3 professions and 3 facilitators. Currently, we have 2 IPE programs running at SMU, one for the 3rd years, and the IPE CP, Interprofessional Education Collaborative Practice, for final year students. Our presentation will be focusing on the latter. This year, in 2021, we had 7 professions, 350 students, and 35 facilitators who participated. Our program has definitely grown. So this year, the 2021 program for final years was presented as a 75% online program, which we would like to tell you a little bit more about today. So our program will be the following. We will have 4 presentations. The first will be Hanli Pito, who will present on students' involvement. Secondly, it's Ntombi Sobantu, who will focus on the marketing aspect. Kaida McDougall will speak about the ethics project, and Louise Schweikert, in collaboration with Estelle Viljoen, although I am the one presenting, will speak about the facilitator's voice. We will have time for discussion, questions, and answers in the end. As an introduction, we would like to introduce you to one of the videos that we made. We asked the students to work on the Jerusalema song, which went viral. I'm not sure whether we will be able to show the video today, but if we're not, I would just like to mention that we asked them to do this as it focuses on the 4 pillars that the Team STEPS program is based on. The reference is at the bottom of the screen. So the 4 pillars are mutual support, leadership, situation monitoring, and communication. I hope we'll be able to show this video in case we are live. If we're not, then please, it'll be wonderful if you would like to Google Team STEPS. Alright, let's start the presentations.